let me sell your course in Udemy. He said, hey, no, Udemy is put it there, I'm making money. I said, no, you don't understand. I know something. If I market this thing for you, you'll be making money. For more than 1 year, I've disturbed him. Now that I'm now focused, I have clients everywhere. He now contacted me some 4 days ago. He said, Henry, so I want to market my course. He's speaking grammar. He said, so SEO and Facebook, I would like you to tell me. I said, sir, is it English you want to hear or you want results? Because I don't understand. This one you're telling me SEO. I've told you since I can do this thing. So leave grammar. Give me money, let me do it. And I said, so how much? This is what I have millions. So and I said, let's start with 30,000. I know what I was doing, marketing. So I talked about negotiation, right? We'll do some negotiations here now, physical negotiation. You need to know how to talk about money in the right way. If I told you 60K, he'll give me. If I told you 100K, he'll give. If I told you 300K, yes, because I've marketed to him. Did you get the idea? I collected the money from my brother. And if I'm talking, I talk randomly. So if I was going in a thought and you wanted to hear it and I didn't finish it, you call me back and tell me the thought. I'll finish it for you. All right. So my brother gave me the money. In less than 2 days, man, I've gotten a lot of sales. People have been buying the course. He said, Ray, man, this thing is working. I said, bring more money, bring more money. I'm producing results. Leave that thing. Bring more money. Put it there. We did FSC, Abi. What's the name of the program again? Future Leadership Conference. I insisted in a meeting. I was made the head of the IT unit. I said, I insist. We're not printing flyer. Flyers updated. They argued. I said, sir, if we print flyer, I drop out. Let them do the meeting. Ha, the man was shocked. What confidence? He said, okay, let's not print flyer. Did the hall full or not? We're looking for space. People from Ibadan, Ogun State. Big hall and filled up. Why? Because over time, I've come to learn this thing and I've known it.